here I will type my command, and yes, let's close this. Alright, this is done. Now what I will do is that here in this read.config I will add like, I have to add this, and I need to import this plugin from somewhere, so that we'll have to see. So you see, we are importing this from here, okay, like this one I will be copying. Alright, and then what I will do is that I will be like, okay, and now I need to copy this into my like main CSS. So there's the main CSS, index.css. Okay, I will remove all of this, guys. Okay, this one, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I will be like closing this. Okay, and okay, what happened? No worries. npm run dev. Okay, yeah. Now what I will do is that from here also I will be like removing everything. I will remove this, I'll remove all of this as well. Now what I will do is a dot bg glue 600. Alright, and here welcome to the weather tailwind. Anyway, so this is it, and okay, I will also remove this file, so let me like delete this, and now I will be going to my browser and I will see. Okay, so this is working. The tailwind CSS that we have added is now working. This is great, guys, this is really great. So now we will first build our home page. Alright, the home page of our application, and its building starts now.